ocean and you are meant to meet. Hello, hello, says the wave today. Come on kids, let's play. Hello, hello, says the wave today. Come on kids, let's play. Sammy Wave met a little crab. Mr. Crab was feeling sad. Wave gave him the biggest hug. Wrapped around him, tug, tug, tug. Wrapped around him, tug, tug, tug. Hello, hello, says the wave. Whoosh, come and play. Big waves, small waves, in between. Bluest of waves you've ever seen. Foamy white and cold and cool, the ocean is nature's swimming pool. Sun goes down, it's time to go. Wave says wait before you go. Come back tomorrow. Goodbye.